Look at him. Get it. Get it sprayed. Get it sprayed. Beat it up. Beat it, Spady. Chomp it up. Boy, he's just going at it. There you go. Yeah.
Don't make it too long.
No, just make it about a minute.
It's like I'm ignoring you.
He's like, I'm ignoring you. I'm eating that. That's my dinner.
Don't swallow that whole thing. You're gonna have to poop it all out again. Rat.
I just remember that. You remember that look on his face? That's funny.
Yeah, instead of getting mad at him, you'd be like, oh, poor boy, poor baby.
Poor guy. Poop it out.
I guess enough.